Bonjour, I'm Frankie from Club Foodie, and today we're making my tasty ginger garlic bok choy. Super easy to make. This is another delicious way to enjoy this vegetable. So let's get cooking. We'll go ahead and make the sauce. In a bowl, we'll combine soy sauce, then some hoisin sauce, followed by oyster sauce, rice wine vinegar, not the seasoned one, it's not the same, a teaspoon of sesame oil, and a cornstarch slurry, which is cornstarch mixed with cold water. I prefer this over a flour slurry, and I explain why on the blog, so check it out. We'll whisk the ingredients until very well blended and set aside for now. Next, in a large skillet or a wok, over medium heat, we'll add canola oil. When it gets hot, we'll add diced red peppers and saute for 2 minutes or until soft. To this, we'll add minced ginger and pressed garlic. This time, we'll quickly saute these two for just 30 seconds. We'll now add our prepared bok choy and season with freshly ground mixed peppercorns. We'll pour in a little bit of vegetable broth and toss to coat. Then we'll cover and steam the veggies for 2 minutes. A couple minutes later, we'll uncover and pour our delicious sauce over, making sure to clean the bowl. We'll increase the heat to high and flip the bok choy a couple times. When the sauce starts to thicken, we'll spoon it over the veggies and we're ready to serve. And my friends, these are our ginger garlic bok choy. Quick to make, this is another tasty version for this Asian vegetable. I hope you give them a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!